Buying a home in Boston can be tough, especially with high interest rates and fierce competition. You need a team to leverage your financial capital, social capital, and intellectual capital. Before your home search, you should do two things. Save smart, build up your credit scores, and your down payment funds is your ticket to standing out. Build your team. Surround yourself with key experts, lender, your financial capital for financial support and pre-approval. Realtor, your social capital to guide, negotiate, and connect you with trusted resources. Attorney, your intellectual capital to protect your rights and handle the closing. With the right strategy and support, you can confidently navigate Boston markets and secure your new home at a great price. Hi everyone, I'm Laura HsiehDeGnore, your Boston real estate expert with over 20 years experience ranging from buying and selling homes to multifamily investments. Today, I'm going to talk about top 3 tips of how to win in a competitive market for the first-time home buyers in Boston. Tip number 1, secure your financial capital with the lender. If you haven't owned a home in the past 3 years, you may qualify as a first-time home buyers under Massachusetts and HUD guidelines. This opens doors to various down payment assistance programs, both local and national. For example, the Boston Home Center offers up to 5% in down payment assistance up to $50,000 for households between 100% of the area median income or $35,000 for those between 101% to 135% of AMI, area median income. This assistance comes with no interest and no monthly payments, but must be repaid if you refinance, sell, or move. Here's a look at typical down payment needs in Boston and Worcester. Boston median list price is $950,000, so you will need $28,000 for 3% down to $190,000 for 20% down. Worcester median price is $427,000 with down payments ranging from $12,000 for 3% down to $85,000 for 20% down. Talk to your lender to explore these options to see if you qualify.
Hi everyone. Buying a home is an exciting journey, but it all starts with one crucial step, getting pre-approved for the mortgage. Let me walk you through it in just a couple of minutes. Step number 1, gather your document. Lenders want to see your financial picture, so you'll need 1 month most recent pay stubs, last 2 years of your W-2s and your tax returns, as well as 1 bank statement. Pro tip, organize all this ahead of time to speed up the process. Step number 2, check your credit. Checking your credit helps determine what you qualify for. You can do this with lenders online, and most of the time it's free, and it's a soft pull credit check so it doesn't hurt your score. Step number 3 is connect with a mortgage lender to do that. And this is where I come in. We'll get you pre-approved, we'll take a look at what your budget is, and help you get a pre-approval so that you can compete in the competitive market. And then step number 4, understand your budget, so you can shop for homes that are within your budget without overextending yourself. And final tip, getting pre-approved early means fewer surprises later and a smoother process towards your dream home. Together, we'll make your homeownership dreams a reality.
Tip number 2, build your social capital with a buyer's agent. In August 2024, NAR changed the home buying process. Buyers now need a signed contract with their agents before viewing homes, and sellers are not required to cover buyer's agent's fee. This means buyers can now negotiate their agent's compensation. Here's how to pick a great agent. Prioritize experience, trustworthiness, communication style, and local markets knowledge. A skilled agent can help you identify well-priced properties and use its winning strategy in Boston competitive markets. Choose a hands-on, dedicated agent who guides you step by step and offer true support through might be your biggest financial decision. And one more thing, make sure you hire a human agent, not a robot. What do I mean? A human agent will go above and beyond to walk you through the home buying process hands in hand. Buying a home is the biggest financial investment in your life. Many first-time home buyers got cold feet during signing purchase and sale agreements. Only the best human agent can serve you with a big heart to guide you with their knowledge, wisdom, inspiration, and negotiation power to get you through the storm so you see the rainbow in your life. Not sure if AI can do all those things for you. Tip number 3. Secure your intellectual capital with a buyer's attorney. Massachusetts is an attorney state, meaning that attorneys are required to be involved in real estate transactions. To find a reliable attorney, look for one with solid experience in real estate, strong problem-solving skills, and knowledge for the local market. Your agent can often recommend a reputable attorney who they have worked with extensively in the past and who can help ensure a smooth closing. If you are a second-time home buyer or planning to sell a rental property, stay tuned for my next video, Buy and Sell in Boston at the same time. I will cover strategies to make selling fun and profitable. For more tips on buying or selling in Greater Boston, subscribe to my channel and reach out anytime for real estate guidance. I love to better your life in real estate and love where I live. Thanks for watching.